Hey everyone, we're back. We're in the Lake District. As you can see, I've got my trusty friend Ben behind the camera. I don't really know what we're doing today. Ben needs to film some stuff for a brand called MPB, which is real cool. So we're out creating a reel for him, and we're going to head up to a place called Haystacks, where I'm going to climb across some dodgy looking rocks, get some drone bangers, shoot some film, shoot some digital, and I'll just bring you along the way on a little POV. So stay tuned for what comes next. So we've just kind of like reached halfway of where we need to be. We're gonna head over that way to where the sun is kind of peeking over. And there's like a ridge at the top, which I'm gonna walk across. And right now, we've come across this little hilly area over here. See Ben doing some stuff. And there's like a cabin just here, which is gonna slap on film. So I'm just gonna get that real quick and crack on. I might even get it on digital as well, actually, because it could be really nice.
Yeah, that is a certified film shot, actually.
Oh my god, it's so good. Yeah.
F5.6, 1/1000. Oh, I didn't wind it up. Oh yeah, I did. What's happening? What's going on? Oh, the battery will be cold. It's well annoying. Why is it doing that? Not taking it because the battery's cold. Please. I'll just get it flat. Might as well. I'll bring it up to F8 actually. Let's do it again. Right, Canon, learn from your modern age brothers. Just take this photo, please. I beg you. Yay! Currently wading through heather to get up to this ridge line. Don't know if you can see that on the GoPro. So we can get a drone shot of me like scrambling up with Buttermere in the background. And you can all tell I'm incredibly unfit. Oh no. But I tell you what, it is beautiful. So mate, phones are real good, you know. this in the video. Look at that. The landscape banger as well. Unreal. In fact, I'm going to take one on digital as well. And then I'd like for you to tell me in the comments which you think is from my phone and which you think is from my camera. And we'll see. Oh, the phone stands the winner. Could be. Oh, fuck this. This is real infuriating. We found this insane spot, and one of the perils of shooting film is when you're out in the cold, your shutter doesn't work. The battery gets too cold and it just refuses. So I found this amazing photo on film. I can't do anything about it. You can see Ben over there. He's got his telephoto lens on, taking some photos of me. Moi. Here's how they turn out. They might be shit. So the sun's kind of gone. Ben and I've got our drones out, and there's like a sunny thingy imaging over there. Just like, yeah, cloud version. That's it. Look at that. I think we've completed this part of the Lake District. As you can see, the view is next level. We've filmed GoPro stuff, we've filmed drone stuff, we completed the reel we needed to do for MPB. The content we've got has been insane. I've sweated a lot, I'm real f***ing tired. I don't like hiking that much, I don't know if you can tell, but this has been ace. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, it really helped me out. I'm really sorry, but I don't have an outro, so I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you all later. You won't be able to see this on the GoPro, but the moon's come out pretty strong over here. So we're just going to get some blue hour shots in this little plateau. That was a nice word you used, plateau. So yeah, we'll see what it looks like. I'll show you the photos, obviously. So yeah, actually that end clip wasn't the end of the video. Spoiler alert, there's more. It's like an end credit scene on the Marvel films.